Basic building block number 7. My favorite. Counsel upline. Strategize and counsel with your upline. This one is very, 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 very important. If you do not do this one, high possibility, very difficult. Alright? Basic building block number 7, counsel upline is crucial. Okay? Basically, our industry is like driving on a street, on a road you have never driven before. Alright? Let's say you want to go from here to Ipoh. You are taking the old road. Or you're going from San Francisco to, I failed geography, Hawaii. Is there a long drive? Can drive, take a boat after that. Or you're going from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, or Sydney to Canberra, alright? Beijing to Shanghai, Kowloon to Wan Chai, Istanbul to Ankara. Hey, only the US I don't know. Okay, so you're driving, and you have a long road ahead. You don't know the road at all. Who are you going to ask? Who are you going to ask? Somebody who's been on that road before. So before you do anything in network marketing, as a new person, counsel, consult and check with your upline. Because he has been there, he has done it, he knows everything. Why remake the wheel? Correct? When somebody's already made it. Only a moron right now will try to create another light bulb. It's already been created. But go and learn from the people who are experts in light bulbs. You understand? So in network marketing, I take it to the extreme. Don't go to the bathroom without your upline's permission. No, I'm just kidding. What I mean is, don't do anything without checking with your upline. You want to buy a house, check with your upline. You want to change your car, check with your upline. You want to open up an overseas market, check with your upline. Do you understand? Alright? You want to run a meeting, a big presentation, check with your upline. You want to buy a new tracking center, check with your upline. You want to position a new tracking center, check with your upline. You want to get married, check with your upline. You want to have kids, check with your upline. I'm serious. Because I'm telling you, network marketing, the relationship between you and your working upline, not necessarily direct, working upline. Alright? It's crucial to check with your upline. Your upline is your lifeline. Your working upline. Do you understand? Go to them for everything. Do you realize that in our industry, your relationship with your upline becomes almost like a brotherhood? Me and my downlines last time, we are like family today. I'm telling you, we see each other too much. It's scary. And we all finish our phone calls by saying, I love you. So I say, hey bro, I love you. The guy next to me look at me, okay. You understand? But strategize and counsel with your upline for everything. If you don't have an upline, go higher. Ultimately, go to the V. Your grand upline worldwide is an organization called the V. Alright, so all the top leaders in the world, Sati, Ranjit, Big, all these top leaders around the world, alright, consult upline. They come to us, the we. Alright, and we tell them how to do, what markets to open. You can't open a brand new market without checking upline. It's a huge responsibility. Just because you know somebody in Japan, doesn't mean you fly to Japan. You understand? I mentioned Japan again. It's going to happen, Japan. Alright? Do you understand? Alright? You want to strategize strategically how to go to Japan. Frequency of trips, everything check with upline. You got problems with your downline, check with your upline. Golden rule. Bad news upline. Only good news downline. You understand? So you're upset about something, Don't go and tell the downline, I'm fed up. So many rejections, I'm sick and tired now. You understand? No, you go and cry to your upline. Your downline, unbelievable! Rule number 3, you understand? That's it. Guys, this is not funny. This is how people make millions in this industry. This industry, if you accept the rules, if you understand the system and you play by the rules, you become a freaking millionaire. Doesn't require anything else. Check with upline, edify, rule number 3, right? Name list, all this, if you comply, you fly. I'm telling you. So strategize and counsel upline. Everything. Are you guys with me? Yeah.